Let's say you build an app with Supabase as the backend. So now the leads collected by that app are getting stored in Supabase. But your business team prefers to work in Google Sheet. So now you have this leads data in two different places, and they are not connected to each other. So you have like some leads in Supabase and some other leads in Google Sheet. So I will show you how you can use Byteline to connect these two apps. We will set a two-way sync, which will sync all the existing data before it starts. And then after that, you can make change on any app and it will sync to the other app. So let's start with the setup. So here is the Byteline's homepage. When you click on login, it takes you to the Byteline console. And here we're gonna build a new sync. So this is the so we will connect Supabase and Google Sheets. So for this one, we're gonna sync both existing data and future changes. This will be a two-way sync so that the change can happen on any app. And to sync the existing records, will go from Supabase to Google Sheets. So let's connect the Supabase app. Okay, that is connected, and I already have connection to Google Sheets. Okay, this is my schema. So now on the next step, we'll match our tables and fields. So I have two tables, blogs and leads, but like I'm just going to delete this one. And this is the table that we will set up, and this is my spreadsheet. I will select the sheet. This will automatically start the field mapping, and it mapped 7 fields. So you can click on here to see the fields that are mapped. So now let's continue. And here is the review of the sync settings, and it's gonna create a preview which will show you how many records will be updated on Google Sheets. So here is our historical sync preview. So it will create 3 records because we have 5 records on Supabase and 2 on Google Sheets. So it will create 3 records. So let's start the sync. So after this, so when the sync starts, so both of these apps will have same data. So now it's updated the Google Sheet here, and the historical sync is complete and is bringing the sync live. Okay, so now at this point, and by the way, before I show other things, so you can always look at the history of sync on the Byteline console. So you can expand this and it will show you all the data that was sent in that change. And you can also filter the change history by different fields. Like for example, you can search by the record ID. Um, Okay, so now let's go to the Google Sheet and we will change one of the contacts. So we'll say status is contacted and we will say interested in a demo. So now this change will be picked up by the sync and it will be sent to Supabase. Okay, so here is our update. So if you expand this, it's gonna show this is the new value for both the columns. And if you see the Supabase data, so the status has changed to contacted, and this is our new notes. Okay, so that's it for our demo, and we offer 2 weeks free trial. So please sign up and try out for your use case. Thank you.